The water running. Look, Roan, our peonies are coming back. Peonies, peonies, woohoo! Look, our plants. We gotta weed them out. Get some mulch. Hostas. The dogs run over all of my plants. So, gotta figure something out. You! It's getting so green. Morning, Maggie. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Allie. We live off grid. And we're gonna do a little day in the life today. It's been raining for like 3 days straight. And we got a slow, rainy day today. So I figured we'd take you along for the ride. Dylan started working from home 2 days a week and it's changed our lives dramatically. Getting to see Daddy before work, getting to have lunch with him. What's this one? What color? Yellow. What's this one? Purple. This one? It's white.
Daddy.
Where'd that one go? No. Oh, you did it! Look, Roan, it's a fish and a boat in the sun. Flip it over. We're gonna build a house and a tree in the sun. One more. Okay, here's what we have on Rooney's shelf right now. We've got a couple of his favorite books. I find the less books, the more likely he is to actually pick them up. Alright, we'll play with it in a second. We've got our kinetic sand here. We'll add our new puzzle. We've got our Connect 4 type thing with the colors. That's from Lovevery. He loves this box. It's from so long ago. And he moved. So he still uses it all the time. Ta-da! Ta-da! Then we've got all of our tractors over here. Tractor, crane, tractor, tractor. We've got our play animals, horses, monkeys. These are all of our magnet tiles for building. And then we have all of his like tools that I keep out because he likes to play with those all. I'm gonna add this to the shelf. I'm just gonna use this old vase I have to put the flowers in here so that he has something to like move them to. So it's an actual activity. You want it back on the shelf?
Oh, no. So all of these toys that you've seen are from the Lovevery play kit. This is called the Helper play kit, and it's for 25, 26, and 27-month-olds. We have opened this play kit slowly because we got it right around Roan's second birthday, and he got a lot of gifts, so we've been opening gifts here and there. This is the one that came with the sink, which if you don't know about the sink, it is literally game-changing, but it also came with so many other great items. He loves these paint sticks, the puzzles, the books, the flowers. He loves it all. And I have a link down below. If you are ever interested, you can use my link and I'll get a kickback. But we love our Lovevery toys and all of our Lovevery play kits that come every 3 months or so. We're so grateful for them.
All right, we fell off the wagon there for a second because my camera battery died, but I worked out. I got the children to sleep for their nap, and I uploaded a YouTube video, a grocery haul, and a meal prep. So if you haven't seen that yet, go watch it. And we are currently making lunch here, so check it out, check it out. The gremlin is about to awaken and I'm scared. I try to have like a lunch ready for him as he opens his eyes because he's grumpy. So I need to get a move on because he's moving. Pieces of my quesadilla. Alright, we just went for a hike, but I forgot my camera because everyone was screaming as we were leaving. We got caught in the rain. We got caught in the rain. Alright, so I'm getting ready and going to trivia night with a friend. We went once, like a month ago probably. We took Roan to babysitter and Dylan came, but this time I'm just gonna go and Dylan can stay home and I'm gonna bring Murphy. Man, it was so fun last time, so I'm excited again to just, you know, get out of the house at night. Because that's what it's all about. Doing the darn thing. So I'm just gonna put makeup on, try to rock this baby. She hasn't slept in so long. We'll get dressed and we'll head out. It has rained all day today. It's been a very slow, chill day. Alright. And I've been trying to think of like what to talk to you guys about because there's so much going on right now. I haven't talked a lot in this video. I have so many different videos going up. Chicken coop will be soon. We just did the grocery haul. We're doing down below. I'm gonna go to the plant nursery this weekend. I'm so excited to get plants for the summer. Mostly for the garden, I think, first. Alright, I'm gonna get dressed to go to trivia. It's at a local brewery and I'm so excited. I don't know if our team's gonna be too big this time because our husbands aren't going. I have lost 12 pounds in the last 5-6 weeks from working out every day and eating healthy, and I feel amazing. And now I'm gonna get dressed, which is so much more fun when you feel good about yourself. So let's see what I can find. Roan stole my tripod, so I don't really know where it is. Okay, I got these pants when I was in like my transition phase postpartum, but now they're too big, and so I tied them with a string here in the back, and then I'll probably just like wear a cardigan or something. They're pretty cute, and they're so comfortable because they have a super wide leg, so they feel like sweatpants. These are my first wide leg jeans. Now at top. In the future here, I'm going to put like a curtain across all of this so that it's like a closet. But our bedroom just has not been the priority, that's for sure. So this black shirt I could wear. I think I'll do this. I think I'm going to be wearing Murphy anyway, so it doesn't really matter because I'll have a baby carrier on. Alright, I'm second guessing my outfit a little bit because one, it's raining right now, and I'm going to have to wear sandals with these jeans because I don't really have any other shoes that go with wide leg jeans. Two, because I have to tuck in this shirt, and this is what the back looks like. Here comes a visitor. And three, because I'm probably gonna have to nurse in public, and I don't always like to wear like a tight shirt while nursing. But maybe I'll just bring like a nursing cover, or maybe I can nurse her in her carrier. I just feel so good, which is awesome. Okay, this lighting is so awful, but I found my belt. So I'm going full. I look very country because my flare jeans. I almost want to wear my cowboy boots, but they're white, and like that's a big statement. And it's muddy outside. Who am I? You know? Am I her? I want to be, but I also don't want to get my cowboy boots dirty, even though they already are dirty. Let's see. My plan is to finish this room soon. I just need to put the trim on this window, and then I'm going to hang shelves above the bed. I might try to make my own headboard. Let's go see in here. I don't think the white goes with the black and the brown. I'm just going to go chill and wear brown sandals. I do love getting dressed up, so I usually have no place to go, but it has been fun having a reason to get dressed up and go somewhere, and so I am grateful for that. Only took me 3 years to make a friend, but if you are a mom with no mom friends, I highly suggest putting in the work because it will change your life. I would go to every Mommy and Me class in our town that was available. I'd go to the library, everything, and it's taken me years, and I've met a lot of moms, but it's hard to find one that you like really click with and like actually want to be friends with. And also it's hard because you want your kids to be around the same age, and we are like this. We both have a 2-year-old and like newborns. Like hers 6 months, mine's 4 months, and we just go to each other's houses. She hasn't been here yet, but as soon as we get it fixed up, she'll be here. I just go to her house and we just sit and hang out and talk, and it's the best thing ever. So definitely do that if you are feeling like you need friendship as a mother, because you do. It is literally game changing, and you know, just go put yourself out there, and you have to make the conversation first. Like, hi, my name's this. What's your name? You know, how old are they? What's their name? It's hard to think of questions, and also you don't want to like ask the wrong question, like, do you work? Of course we work. We're full-time moms. Do you do anything outside the home? Do you like work from home? What's your husband do? What's your favorite park? Are you from here? How long have you lived here? What brought you here? Like, it's hard, but you gotta do it. Alright, that's probably all for today's vlog. I meant to record more, especially our hike was so cute, so fun. I love hiking after the rain, but I'm sure in one of my upcoming vlogs we will take you on a hike here soon. You guys have seen it a million times. So thank you for being here. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe, and we will see you next time. Also, I know I've talked a lot about the program I'm doing, and I love it. It's with this woman who is starting a training program for postpartum moms, and we are her first round. So it's a pilot program, and it was free for me. Her second round I think is 90% off, so I think it's only like $25 or something like that for 3 months, 12 weeks of personalized training and nutrition. It's all done virtually. I've absolutely loved it. Her name is Samantha, and I will link her down below. If you have any questions though, just ask me and I can answer them. She'll use what equipment you have, or if you go to the gym, she can personalize it to that. We use this app that shows you like each workout, how to do each workout. You know, you track everything, you track what you eat, and she's so understanding. She works with postpartum moms, counts in if you're breastfeeding, all of that. It has literally changed my life. I feel so much better, and I've always wanted to implement like a normal workout routine. Like, I want to work out for the rest of my life for 30 minutes a day. And that's what it's been, 30 minutes a day. She starts you off just 3 days a week, if that's what you can do, depending on whatever you can do. It's personalized to you. And then now I'm doing 5 days a week. Feel great. Yeah, buddy. So anyways, if you have any questions, just ask. I'll link her Instagram down below.